Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I wanted to point out something that you already have access to, actually, but I know that some of you are not aware about it, and it's really, really useful. It's a spot in our website where I have placed some links to some other companies that offer some really useful trading tools or trading platforms or charting software, just stuff that makes trading easier that I've come across that I know are some really good and smart people within our industry. And I'll sometimes twist their arms so that they give you a little bit of a discount and make it available to you on our website. And all you have to do is log into the student portal, which of course is student.markettaker.com. Go to the membership home site. And if you just navigate over to member discounts right here, I list a lot of people who are really great partners for us, like Metastock, Options Omega, which is a powerful backtesting system, Market Chameleon that I've talked about a lot, and TradingView, Thinkorswim, Tradier. And you can try all of them out, get discounts or special extended trials on most of them. And these are some of the things that I use. In fact, these are all things that I use either all the time or at least now and then that I think are super great. So I figured I'd show that to you so that you can get some discounts, and hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.